Xero tip time, guys. So a lot of our smaller clients who might have been doing their reconciling themselves, might have been looking after their Xero accounts themselves, don't realise that if they make a mistake, they've coded, it comes time to run GST, and you've realised you've coded a whole lot of things accidentally to the wrong code. There's actually a find and recode button in Xero. So the reason people don't realise is they may not have access to it. So if you're only a standard user, and you don't have advisor access, then you're not going to have that find and recode button there, and you're never going to know about it. So if you need to recode a whole lot of stuff at one time and you're pretty happy to do it yourself, you know what you're doing there, then you can ask your accountant to give you access to find and recode, where you'll be able to do that. Your accountant may want to do it for you as well, but just a tip there, find and recode, and it makes it really quick and easy to find and recode a whole lot of transactions. If you've put them to the wrong account, if they don't have GST, yeah, cool. See ya.